Alright, well, this is a test to see if my video works for my website. So on my homework section, I do hope to be actually writing out problems that would be like my students' homework for the evening. So I'll do a quick example of something that they might encounter, something like x plus 2 quantity multiplied by 2x minus 1. And they might be asked to expand. Obviously we're talking about FOIL for this one right here, so I could tell my children that we have to remember that we have to FOIL, which is first, which we multiply the first ones, the first term, so 2 times, or x times 2x would be 2x squared. Then we would do the outer, which would be x and negative 1, which gives a negative 1x, or just negative x, minus x. The inner would be 2 times a 2x, both positive, so I have a positive 2 times 2 is 4x. And then of course L for last. And I take my 2 times a negative 1, positive 2 times a negative 1 gives me a negative 2, or minus 2. And then we'd have to combine our like terms, since all we have is one term of x to the second power, our 2x squared would come down. We have these two terms, which are x to the first power, so we can combine these two. 4x, take away 1x, gives us 3x. It's a positive, so we say plus 3x. And we're just left with this one term here, which has no x, or x to the 0 power. And that goes right here. We get a negative 2. I could box my answer. I could show them separate ways of doing this problem, but this is basically what I hope to be doing for them. Do homework-like problems, or even a homework problem for them. I do have a whiteboard set up at another location where I could actually stand in front of it, and you could do something like this where I'm not moving the camera around so much and not having to write and move the camera at the same time. So with any luck, this will upload and I will be all good.